Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco RPRS8 T. Here it is removed from the package. Here's the exterior side. And what you're going to get with the RPRS8 T is it's a handle set, really is all it is. You get an exterior and an interior handle. That roll pin is there waiting for you to drive it down through the hole. 2 screws and washers that you will use for attaching in this hole and in this hole. Okay, you've got those washers stacked there to allow clearance over the head. You've got a rubber gasket that's here as well. Now, what makes this different than the RPRS8 that's in the site? The -T simply means that the shaft length is 5 5/8 versus the standard length of it being 4 5/8. So the length of the key stock is 5 5/8, and it goes from inside of this handle to the outside here. Okay, versus the 4 5/8. If you drop the -T in the part number, you'd get one that is 4 5/8 overall length. The effective length of this material, with the components compressed to the underside of the washer, is about 4 7/16. So your RPRS8 is going to be about 3 7/16. Where do you need the longer spindle? The only time that Bilco states the only time that you would use a longer shaft or spindle is when you have 2" of insulation on the lid or the cover of your roof hatch, requiring a longer sort of spindle. The standard run-of-the-mill units do not require this. There'd be nothing at exempting you from using this in the standard RPRS7 lock body, but nonetheless, the longer shaft is less common. That's all there is to it. So you'll get all these pieces exactly as you see, and then again the 2 screws. There is a link below this video to a document called Instructions, and that's very handy because it simply walks you through verbally and then shows an image on how this all looks together when it's installed. Obviously, you can padlock that from the exterior, which would certainly make a lot of sense, the ability to padlock that from outside. There's also a link below this video to a document called Technical Information, and it will literally show you the drawing of the spindle as it is for the standard RPRS8, which is the SD31, then the RPRS8SS, the stainless steel version of that, and then the -T and the stainless steel version of that as well. Just a technical drawing is really all it is. Okay. According to Bilco, the -T model is only used in those instances. So if you have a standard installation, I don't see why you might want the longer spindle, unless, of course, there's a reason that you do that's other than the standard or factory original roof hatch, or you might be using it on an unknown manufacturer of roof hatch. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to a link called More from Bilco. That's the manufacturer's page from within our website, where you can pull up the full line product catalog and then some other important technical details, along with a link to the Bilco website. If you have any questions on the RPRS8 T, this is their turn handle assembly with a 5 5/8 shaft length, or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.